In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add People Smart Chips in Google Sheets. If you're still typing names and email addresses as plain text, there's a better way. People Smart Chips look professional and make your spreadsheet far more useful. With a single click, you can start an email, open a chat, or even book a meeting right from the cell. Let's walk through how to use them and how to upgrade an existing list without retyping anything. The quickest way to add a People Smart Chip is with the @ symbol. Click into a cell, type the @ sign, and begin entering a name or an email address. As you type, Sheets will surface suggestions from your contacts and, if you're on a work or school account, from your organization's directory. When you see the right person, click their name in the suggestion list. The plain text instantly converts into a smart chip. You'll notice it has a subtle pill shape and often a profile image, which makes your sheet easier to scan. If you don't see suggestions, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that the person exists in your contacts or directory. You can always paste a valid email and then use the conversion option I'll show next. If you already have a long list of emails, don't start over. You can transform them all at once. First, highlight the cells you want to convert. This can be a single column, multiple columns, or even a specific range. Then go to the Insert menu, choose Smart Chips, and click Convert to People Chip. In one step, Sheets will turn each email into a People Smart Chip. If any cells don't convert, double-check for extra spaces or typos, then run the conversion again. This approach is perfect for attendance lists, project rosters, or stakeholder directories. Here's the best part. Hover your mouse over any People Smart Chip to open a rich contact card. From there, you can send an email, start a chat, or jump into scheduling a meeting, all without leaving your spreadsheet. You'll often see a profile picture and quick links, and in many cases, you can view availability details to coordinate faster. These chips are dynamic too, so if a profile is updated in your directory, the chip reflects it automatically. People Smart Chips are a game changer for project management and team coordination because they connect your sheet to real people and real actions. If you found this helpful and want more ways to modernize your Google Sheets, hit that follow button for future tips.